Now, these are organic white eggs, and there's no difference between white eggs and brown eggs actually, except that the brown shells look prettier, but nutrition-wise there's no real difference. Now, I'm just going to bring this up a little bit. Just so it's just bubbling. Okay, so as you can see, as soon as they hit the water, they start to cook, and the salt and the vinegar stop the eggs from spreading out. But also, it's because they're fresh, you can see around the yolk that the white is all mounded around the yolk, kind of almost like a, ooh. It's interesting.
It's like magic.
It's like magic, yeah. That's because the eggs are very fresh. When the whites go out super flat, that means that the egg is literally past its sell-by. They can be okay for cakes, but not for this. So now, just going to cover let them cook for like a couple of minutes, and then we'll have perfect poached eggs. Okay, so here we are. You can see that now all I just want to, oops. Just to finish cooking on the top. Squish a bit of water over it. So. Just need a plate. Always keep a piece of paper towel